So in the beginning of this year, that's 2026, I decided to start trading in a prop firm account. But the reason behind this account is that I just wanted to go on challenges and see exactly how it goes. So I purchased the 100K founded account using Alpha Capital. So this was the objective. So if you look at these are the objectives that I used to follow with the prop firm account. So these were my objective and the reason behind it, everything. So I registered everything because I was journaling. And the stage one, it was 100K. So the first trade that I took, I lost almost 2006. So this was the trade. I was journaling every single trade. And at the end of the day, I hit stop loss. You can see I hit stop loss. And the second trade I took, I made almost 18,000. That's 18,000K. So I passed the first challenge. Okay. So you can see the second trade, it was a very nice trade. I made almost 18,000K. Then I passed the first challenge. So the next day, I had to wait for 3 days. So I waited for 3 days. Then I got the second challenge. And the second challenge, you can see that was stage 2. It was the same 100K. The first trade, it went bad. I lose almost $1,000. This was the first trade. And the second trade, I made 6,000, and then I passed the second challenge. So this was the journaling. If we look at the prop firm, okay, Alpha Capital, this is their platform. As I mentioned, the first trade, I lost 3,000, and the second trade, I made 18,000. So this way, I passed the first challenge, okay? If you look at my dashboard, the same thing I explained, because I lost the first trade and the second trade, I passed. The same thing, then I passed the first challenge. They sent me the second challenge. You can see this is the first challenge, I passed, and they sent me the second challenge. So looking at the second challenge, I supposed to make 5K, and with one trade, this is it. The first trade I lost, and the second trade I just passed it, so I passed the second challenge. But I need to still wait for some days. You can see this is the second day, so it is in progress. But the profit that I supposed to make, it is already done. So if you look at the dashboard, you can see the first trade I lost almost 1,000, and it shows here. This is the first trade that I lost. The second trade I made 6,000 too, and this is the second trade, so I passed. So I'm still waiting for the next day, so that I can take one trade to complete this 3 days challenge. Okay, so you can see after I pass this second challenge, that's where they are going to send me the live account. So still waiting. So you can see within a week I made, let's say, 15,000 and plus the first challenge and second challenge. Okay, so the next week I'll be waiting. I need to make, I'll be waiting to continue with the live account. I just want to see how it goes, because this 2026 I prefer to trade with the prop firm account, do all this kind of challenge, because my goal is to hit it harder this 2026, because it's making 6 figures every single month. So still working on it. I have my personal life account. I want also to attach it with the prop firm account so that I can hit it harder, because I used to trade with prop firm accounts, but based on their lot of instructions, I said I was focusing on my personal life account, and right now I just want to do this challenge with the prop firm account. So I want to see how it goes. I believe my first payout, I'm just going to purchase it with, I don't know, 200 founded account, because I want to be $1 million founded account so that I can start making 5 figures every single month. This is the goal. So still waiting. If you look at, still waiting. Right now the challenge has passed, but still waiting because I need to complete this 3 days challenge and see how it goes. So tomorrow is Monday, today is Sunday. Let's see how it goes. So today I have received my Alpha life account. So if you look at this, this is the life account. I just received it right now. So my maximum loss is 10K, maximum daily loss is 5K. So we just get started. 2026 is going to be different. Okay, so I just get this account right now because I received this email where I passed through all the, I showed you guys last week, where I passed through the phase 1 and phase 2 within 4 days. I just took 4 trades, and these are the trade that I took last week. First trade was this one. I lost almost 2006, and the second trade hit 18,000, and I passed the first challenge, and I got the second challenge. And the first trade I lost $1,000, and the second trade I won 6,002, and I passed the challenge. So these are the trade that I analyzed. At the end of the day, he take profit, but I didn't take because I was waiting for the confirmation and verification. And this is 4th January 2026. I got the live account. So this is the prop firm account. If you look at the account, this was the details of the email that I received this morning. So right now you can see I have everything, and the maximum lost, my daily lost, profit split, 2% minimum profit for payout on demand. Okay, maximum capital 200,000. Trade through news, yes, because I chose the swing trade. Though I'm not swing trader, but I just choose one to avoid this kind of news, because sometimes I don't check whether there is a news or not. I'm just a technical trader. So this week, today is Monday. Let's see how it goes, because if I look at the markets, if you look at gold, we are still bullish. Just get the market shift. The order will just shifted from bearish because daily time frame shows bullish, and the price gets mitigated at points of interest in the daily strong demand zone. This is where demand step in, trying to push the price. So maximum US supply range here. So this week I will be expecting to just looking for buying opportunities, but let's see how it goes. There's no rush. Now I just want to, since the goal is to make 5-6 figures every single month, so I just added this prop firm to my live account. So right now let's see how it goes. Looking for opportunity, but today the market is just quietly calm, just looking for more opportunities, because last week you can see I just traded 4 trades that I made almost 17K to pass the first stages and the second stages. So this week I'll be expecting to take 3-4 trade with the high risk to reward ratio, because if you look at my win and my loss, this is the differences. Okay, this is how we trade. Just have to manage risk, and then we see how it goes. So good luck for this account. The goal here is to reach this amount, 200,000. Wow, in just 6 months, everything can happen because everything is possible. So you can see now we are still updating the Profitability account, and frankly speaking, this week I didn't perform well because last week I made 15k and I passed the first challenges within 2 days. That was last week Monday, 29th December 2025, and then the 30th December 2025 I passed the second challenge. I got the verified account. I got founded. Okay, so the first week it wasn't that good. It was really bad because I was in a losing streak, and frankly speaking I messed up a lot this week, frankly speaking, because of there are certain trades that I took that did not align with the plan. I just taking it based on my ego, and I was really draw down. So you can see 5th January I took 2 trades, and 6th January I took 3 trades, and the 7th January I took 3 trades. Everything went bad. But 8th January, that was Thursday, I took this trade, and the trade I just leave it. It's a swing trade. Now it is running. So I think like right now I'm in a drawdown, almost 7k drawdown. So if I hit 90k, then they are going to dismiss the profit. So I will now never get any payouts. But thanks to this trade that I took on Thursday, it is running 12k profit. So if I go onto my dashboard, you can see my equity curve. It was 100k verified account. If you look at this account, it is verified. So you can see this is qualified account. So I'll be expecting payout, but due to my bad performance, look at the equity curve. It was almost 92.7k. Then thanks to the trade that I took on Thursday, that is running 12k, and then the equity go back, and right now I'm running profit. Okay, I'm in profit 5%. So right now if you look at my equity, you can see it is 105, so I'm in 5% in profit, and right now my remaining balance is almost 92. So you can see I'm fucking drawn down. Just look at the equity curve, and right now this trade that I took, let's see how it goes, how it's going to close. Because if you look at my dashboard, just look at this: 5th January, 6th, 7th, and 8th, everything really went bad. I'm still running the trade, and I want to see how it goes. That is the open position. Just want to see how it goes, because right now, based on the trade, I'm in a profit 5%. You can see my equity is 105 right now. So let's say I make 5%, so that is really good. So next week I'll make sure I don't mess up again, and without messing up, there is a lot to still working on myself, but still doing it. But I'm 5% in profit for this week. Frankly speaking, I'm not a profit trader, because I used to trade with profit in the beginning when I started trading. That was 2024. But due to the restriction reasons, I always focus on my personal life account. But the reason behind this Profitability account is that I got a discount from this Profitability called Alpha Capital Group. So I got a discount of 30%. So I was like, though I'm not a profit trader, but let me just try it. So that was the reason, because I never planned of trading profit in 2026, but I took this challenge because of this discount. So 30% discount. So I was like, I just try with a 100k founded account. Frankly speaking, I passed the first challenge and I got the stage 2, and I also passed the stage 2 within the same week, and then now I'm founded. So this is the founded message that I got. So I got everything, and now I'm trading with the profit account, because that was the reason. I never planned for it, but I took this challenge because of this discount, 30% discount. And looking at the profit account, you can see I've been trying it since 2024, and I've been failing, and also some kind of restrictions. I was like, I'll never trade profit again because their restriction doesn't align with me. I just want to trade the account the way I want it. So I took this challenge because of the discount. I never planned for it, frankly speaking. And the first challenge, you can see I made 10%, and I passed the first challenge. And the second challenge, I made 5%. And right now, I got founded. This is the second week of this founding challenges and also the founded account. And right now I'm in 8% in profit. I never planned for it, just trading it with my life account. I just paid $200 because I had a discount. And right now, within 2 weeks, I made 8% in the founded. I was like, then 2026, I'm just going to be focusing all my attention on profit, because it is about making 6 figures every single month. So I just see it like with profit, it's going to be possible. Though in life account, it's going well, but I just think like if I attach it with the profit account, it's going to be fantastic. It's going to be something like crazy. Because looking at this account right now, this is the founded account. It's going well because I'm in profit 8%. Because last week, frankly speaking, the market was somehow, and this is the trade that I made almost 15k that made me profit. Last week, frankly speaking, there wasn't an opportunity, but I tried to trade with my ego, and at the end of the day, I lost it. The only opportunity that I was looking for, and this is the opportunity. And even looking at the way I passed the account is the same concept, because I'm type of swing trader, all this kind of stuff, but at the end of the day, I know exactly what I'm doing, so no worries. Just see how it goes, because I just think like if I attach profit with my personal account, then I'm going to hit it very hard at this 2026, okay? So 2026 is about making things happen. We are still working hard to achieve whatever we want, because this is all about trading. I think 2026 is going to be like fantastic, very fantastic year, frankly speaking, because it is about hitting it harder this year, because this is the year that we need to make things happen. We need to make dreams come true. And if I go to the achievement, you can see this was the first challenge. The first challenge, I passed it 30th December 2025, and the second challenge, 4th January 2026. That is within 4 days, within 1 week. And I got the founded the next day. That day that I passed the second challenge, then I got the qualified account the next day. So you can see these are the certificates about this particular Profirm account. Everything started within 2 weeks. And frankly speaking, looking at this Profirm account, this first challenge it is to make 10%, second challenge is to make 5%. So within a week, I made 15k to pass the challenge. Right now I'm in 8% profit. So I just think like within 2 weeks, more than 20k in profit. That was perfect. That was a nice move in 2026. 2026 is going to making things happen because we are still working. This is the second year. I don't want to get complacency about the results that I'm making. Looking at the live account, everything is going smoothly. This is the first Profirm account, but it's going well because within 2 weeks, I made more than 20k. So this year, then I think like I'm just going to be focusing on founding myself. I don't know, $1 million. Let's go. Let's make it happen. So we can see we keep on updating the Profirm account. So last 2 weeks, as you guys already know, I took 4 trade. The first 2 trade, I passed the first challenge. And the second 2 trade, I passed the second challenge. So that was last week. I got the founded account. Last week was a little bit crazy because I took almost first trade, second trade, third trade. I was, frankly speaking, drawdown, almost 7k drawdown. And the trade that I took on Thursday, I keep it for a long. So this morning, today is Monday, I closed the trade with 15k. So based on this good trade, now I'm in profit 8%. So this week, we see how it goes. Because if I go into the dashboard, you can see this is the first challenge and this is the second challenge. So right now you can see this is the founded that I'm trading. So if I click on it, you can see I'm in profit, almost 8k. So you can see the remaining balance right now is 108. So the equity curve is 108. So I'm in profit 8k. So going to see, if you look at also the dashboard on the Profirm, you can see this was the loss of last week. And today is 12 because if I close the trade, so it is 15k. Just look at this. So now I made 8%. And frankly speaking, I'm just proud. If I go to my own personal dashboard, I think like this is the second week. The first week, I made 15,000 and I passed the challenges. And the second week, if I look at my weekly review, I made 8,000. So I just want to see how it goes because the goal here is to reach ending of January 2026 to make more than 30%, 40%, 50%.